What's going on, you guys? It's the 1122 Wingnut Radio out here for Anarchy Television. And this is a puppy update. Alright, let's see here. It's been something like 10 or 11 days. They've got their eyes open now. And don't you guys get all started whimpering on me. I don't know why they're whining. I hope I can go out and get some. Well, anyway, let's see here. I think that one was number one. I think that one was number two. Or that one was number two. One of the two. And then I think that one was number 3, 4, or yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, what's going on over here? What are you doing? What's going on? Oh my gosh. What's going on over here? Why are you crying so much, baby? Why are you crying so much? Now this is the only female, I think. Actually, I think, yeah, and so I think I might end up keeping her. But Jazz is starting to get bored with letting them feed. But they don't have any teeth yet, so I don't think they can eat regular food. But I gotta go out and try and make some money today so I can actually buy dog food, because Jazz went through like a whole 50-pound bag of dog food within a week. What's up, little buddy? What's going on? Look at this one. And you cutie. And I guess she's getting really, really low on milk, so that's the reason why she's not feeding as much. She does look a little thin, but she's been eating a lot, and she ate a lot more than I expected this month. And then I'm not sure when it comes down to these guys. Alright, I gotta figure out what we're gonna do, Jazz. But anyway, they are cute as shit, though. A little puppy update. So yeah, I don't know. Anybody got any comments when it comes down on puppies and stuff? Now, see, like I said, they're not quite 2 weeks old yet, but almost. Like a week and a half. Just opened their eyes up a couple of days ago. When do I start putting them on regular puppy food and water? And then on top of that, I got to figure out how they're going to poop and piss. I can't have them ruining the damn carpet, so I got to put a hell of a lot more newspaper down. Actually, I got a pool, like one of those plastic pools that I think I'm going to get, and so I can wash it out when I want to. But even then, they're going to get big. And then on top of that, you know, I'm just like, oh shit, where in the fuck am I going to put them? It's all your fault, Jazz. You got knocked up. Yeah, it's all your fault. And yeah, well, what am I supposed to do? Anyway. All right, you guys, it's 11:22. That's the firstborn right there. That's the one he's really a noisy one. And it's the most pushiest, I think. I call it Fat Boy because actually I think it's a little fatter than the rest of them. She's getting kind of bored, I think. Look at that. She's not even laying down. She might. Yep, see. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna feed these guys. Anyway. Like, share, and subscribe to this weird channel that I have. And me and Jazz would enjoy it and appreciate it. Yep. But, I don't know what I'm going to do with these guys. I'm sure there's people out there that would be really good people. And they'd take good care of them. I know. Alright. I'll see you guys later. 1122 back out.